we are going to discuss an important operation of factory, that is canteen operation. Watch this video till end. It explains what are precautionary measures to be taken for canteen operation in order to prevent local infection of COVID-19. Contents of this training have been developed for awareness purpose. Safety professional working with industries have put their time and effort for development of the content. Later, contents have been finalized through brainstorming session. These contents are not mandatory for any industry, but you must refer to local authority if it is mandatory. Only appropriate content applicable to your organization may be implemented after discussion within your organization. There are some topic on which team has different opinion, but these information are also shared with you. Hence, you are recommended to discuss internally before final call on implementation. All these information are obtained from websites without validation of correctness. To some extent, we tried to obtain information from official sites of government and WHO. You shall motivate employees to bring home cooked food. This practice gradually reduces gatherings at canteen. At your workplace, if you are permitted to take food at your workstation, you must take food at your workstation. You must do housekeeping at the end, and dispose food waste at designated bin only. It is highly recommended that you avoid canteen operation at your factory, so that you can eliminate one of the source of large gatherings at your factory. If it is not possible to completely shut down canteen operation, access to shall be restricted to only needed. In order to maintain social distance, you must put marking on floor to assist people for maintaining social distance. Break time is to be scheduled in order to avoid large gathering. Hence, it becomes easy to maintain social distance. You must wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for 20 seconds upon entering the canteen, before taking the food or utensils. You must avoid sharing of the food during lunch break. You make a practice to take own lunch and maintaining the social distance. You must not allow people to seat together in dining area of canteen. Social distance is mandatory requirement at all place work. Salad serving must be stopped because it is not cooked. Serving of raw food is to be restricted for temporary solution. Self-serving in canteen must be stopped. If everyone will start touching, safety and hygiene cannot be maintained. Only canteen staff shall be allowed to serve food with adequate PPE. Seating arrangement in dining area shall be arranged in such a way that mandatory requirement of social distance is complied. You must motivate people to bring own drinking water bottle, and also make provision of disposal paper cup. Complete cleaning and disinfection of dining area are to be carried out at the end of lunch. Kitchen area must be cleaning as well at the end of operation. Provision of hot water, detergent is also to be ensued. It is highly recommended to monitor health condition of canteen staff on daily basis and maintain record. If one is found unwell, he must be isolated from cooking activities. All canteen staff must be made aware of using adequate PPEs during cooking activities. You must do daily inspection of kitchen, grain storeroom, vegetable storeroom. It is also recommended to do hygiene inspection before beginning of cooking, and also after cleaning. You must ensure that all fruits and vegetables are washed adequately. You must wash hands before washing fruits and vegetables. Rinse these products well in running water. You may need to maintain inventory of grocery for at least 10 to 15 days, so that you can avoid frequent buying. You may require to depute a supervisor for monitoring of compliance with MHA guidelines. Supervisor will be responsible to ensure compliance, food safety, personal hygiene of canteen staff, and maintain records. You may visit our website for information on consultancy and training services. We also conduct online training as well. You may write suggestion or comment to us through email. We are called AKSHAR Management Consultant, based at Baroda.